What's up, my fellow Pokemon trainers? DJ here, and today I'm back with another Pokemon card opening video. And today I have a EX Battle deck featuring Houndoom. Now I got this of Easter this year, which is pretty cool. So let's get this open. Bear with. Wow, that was weird. Here we are. I guess we can just wear. So we have plastic. Lovely. My favorite snack. Okay, I guess I can just open it like this. Okay. So we have Houndoom EX, which is the staple of this pack. It looks pretty cool, in my opinion. It's like all hot, like shiny. Flip. Now we also have these. Now, I did a thing where I give you guys the code of this one, and the next one I put away for me to use later. So yeah, here you guys go with the code. For if you play the training card game live. Alright, now we also have this pack here, full of dark. That's pretty dark. It's quite dark in my opinion. Got it. Okay, where are we? This way. Bruh. Yeet. Okay. So we have Dark Energy. Or basic Dark Energy, I should say. We have another basic Dark Energy. Another basic Dark Energy. Another basic Dark Energy. Okay, we got Nimona trainer card. Okay, then we have Eevee. Pretty cool. We got Nimble. Then we have Houndour, which makes sense. So we can use the Houndoom. Which that reminds me, I should be putting this in the bottom of the rest of this. Just big cords. Anyways. Another basic Dark Energy. Rorik? I'm probably saying his name wrong. Work? I don't know. We got Blow Kicks, which looks pretty cool. It's kind of hard to see because the card's super detailed. Alright. And we have a potion. Whoops. Yeah. A Great Ball. We have another basic Dark Energy. We have the Youngster. And we have another basic Dark Energy. A Nest Ball. And we have Nimona again. Ooh, a Sviper. I probably said it wrong, but still pretty cool. Alright, now we have another Houndoom, but nothing super crazy. Still pretty cool, though. It's like a backup Houndoom. Then there's another basic Dark Energy. We got the dark variant of Morpeko? Morpeko? I don't know. Okay, now we have another basic Dark Energy. We got Rika. Alrighty. And now we have Umbreon from the Eevee earlier. Pretty cool. And now we have another basic Dark Energy. And did we get a Great Ball already? I think we already got a Great Ball, but just in case. Here we go. But yeah, I think we already had a Great Ball. Alright. Another Houndour. I think it's the same thing. We have another Eevee. Same thingy there. Another basic Dark Energy. Nimona again. Nimble. Okay. Jackal? I don't know. This guy has a weird name. No offense, but you got a weird name, man. And then we have Energy Sticker. Wait, isn't this just a card? A Pokemon card of something in real life? Oh, wait, no. Wait, do energy stickers exist? I think they do. Probably. But, like, I don't think that would exist in the Pokemon universe. And you know what else doesn't exist? A basic Dark Energy. And we have... Okay, Switch. Not the Nintendo kind. Well, it still is Nintendo. But, like, it's the Pokemon kind. Mom, can we have Nintendo Switch? We have Nintendo Switch at home. Nintendo Switch. Alright, now we have another potion. We got another Survivor. We got low kicks again. I'm kind of running out of vertical space here because of this cord. So I'm just going to move things over nonchalantly. There we go. We got another basic Dark Energy. Another Great Ball. Rika again. Youngster. Basic Dark Energy. Warwick, I don't know. Nimona again. Nest Ball. Basic Dark Energy. Another Energy Sticker. Another Eevee. Another dark version of Morpeko, whatever you call it. Another Umbreon, still pretty cool though. Basic Dark Energy. Another Houndoom. Another Nimble. Another Houndour. Basic Dark Energy. Another Great Ball. Now for the last card. Another basic Dark Energy. Okay. Let me just fix these up. What a disappointing ending. But that's fine. We still have some more stuff here. We have this thing. We have the damage numbers. We have manual. We have another manual. And we have probably the stage, I think. This is yeah, this is a stage for your side. Or yeah. It's a bit long, so I don't know if I can fully display it. And we have clean. EX coin looks pretty cool in my opinion. Can you guys see it? It's kind of flipped on your guys' side, sorry. Pretty cool, eh? Yeah. It's shiny on my end, but I don't know why, but for your guys' end, it doesn't look that shiny. But anyways, speaking of shiny, I don't know what I'm saying. Alrighty, so that's it for this video. If you guys enjoyed, of course, subscribe, like, comment, so don't miss my videos. Comment your opinion on purpose with your friends. Comment your opinion on purpose with your friends, since my other stuff should be linked in the description. And this is DJ, signing off. Later.